Guys, it's Dajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing you know how on TikTok there's like the little pink under eye trend. We're gonna be doing that, and also just kind of like all things pink. I think I'm gonna do like a pink eyeshadow. We got on some light pink, you know, because I kind of missed Valentine's Day on YouTube, and I'm really sorry about that. I was actually very hurt about it. Like, I was just thinking about it, like, dang, like, I really miss Valentine's Day. So there we're going to be doing an all things pink makeup tutorial, but specifically focusing on that TikTok viral pink under eye type look. You know what I'm talking about. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, you don't. If you know, you know, whatever. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna do eyeshadow. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with this Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Infinite Concealer. Y'all know I always say it's my favorite concealer, you know. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with that. I really don't know what kind of look I want to do, but I know I want it to be pink. So, you know, at least we know the color, you know. And I definitely want it to be different from like my everyday type eyeshadow layout thing, because I just did a video like that. I got some inspiration. So what I think I'm gonna do is just like a pink smoky type eye. Yeah. I don't know. I know I want to do something pink, but I don't want to take away from the bright pink under eye. So like, we gonna keep that in mind. Like, I don't want to be too extra. So yeah, let's just do it. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Alexis Stone palette. I'm gonna take the first pink in the palette on a M441 brush. I'm just gonna put that into the crease, but also blend that out on the outer part of my eye. I feel like I've been getting more into my bohemian earthy vinyl aesthetic, so I just think it's like kind of, I don't know, like that I'm doing like a pink eyeshadow look. It's just a little bit out of character for me recently, because I've been in my very earthy bohemian bag. Like, I truly feel like that's my final place, like aesthetic wise. So yeah, I'm always gonna do colorful looks though, because I love just doing makeup. And I'm gonna take that second pink in the row on an M330 brush. I'm trying to, like, I don't know, I always use the same layout kind of like when I'm doing eyeshadows. So I'm just trying to do something different. It's hard though when you're so used to doing something. I'm just blending out that pink. Let me tell you guys something about me. I love a good pink. Like I just said, like, I'm trying to be in my like final aesthetic type vibe, but I love a good pink eyeshadow moment. I just feel like it looks so cute, so girly, like, yes. Should we also make this the begging Jonathan Majors to marry me video? Like, I just feel like I've always loved him, but now since like Creed is coming out and Ant-Man is out, people are like getting on the Jonathan Majors discourse. And I'm just like talking about him and the way that he looks, and I'm just like, let me tell you guys something. That's my man. Like, my man. I'm sorry, I love him. Like, that's simply my man. Like, I'm really sorry. Like, and I just feel like people who don't think he's attractive, like, you're simply a liar. Like, that's simply all it is. He's so gorgeous. So this is my this is my official asking Jonathan to be mine video. Me and you, babe. Let's do it. Okay, now I'm gonna take the third pink and also put that into crease. Honestly, guys, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just building up the pinks until I can figure out what route I want to go. If it's like the cut crease route, if it's like I said smoky eye in the beginning, but I don't know if that's really the vibe anymore. You know what I think I might do? I might cut the crease a really high. I don't know, guys. We'll see when we see. This is really mostly about the pink blush under eye thing. So this is just secondary. Okay, so I'm back. I just kind of did this little pink eyeshadow look. Honestly, this is the least of my worries. I was having so much trouble with foundation. I used this foundation. Honestly, don't even know. And I don't know if it was like the mixture of, because I also used the new primer. I used the NYX Marshmallow Primer. I don't know. There was just something wrong with my foundation and it wasn't looking right. So I just went with the tried and true, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, whatever. So now let's just get into the under eye part of it. So I'm going to use the same concealer that I used to prime my eyes, and that's just the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. And I'm just going to put it where I usually put concealer. I'm also going to take a little bit of this Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20 just to lighten it up a little bit. Now, I don't have like, I do kind of have like this, what is it called? Blush that I use all the time, but I really want it to look vibrant, so this may be a mistake. I'm going to take this CC Beauty palette. I'm going to take a little bit of this little like peach color and a little bit of this pink color. I'm just gonna put a little bit where my concealer is. I'm really nervous. Maybe I'll do another layer of concealer over it just to make sure it's not just bam pink. Okay, blend out the rest of my concealer just like regularly. I'm not gonna do anything spectacular with like the forehead and all that stuff. This is where the magic is gonna happen, hopefully. I'm really nervous. This video is not going well. I'm gonna be honest. I am stressed. I'm trying to find stuff that I simply can't find. And I might have to use a brush to blend this out. Okay, I'm gonna blend this out with a brush because I can't find the sponge and I don't want it to dry too much. Wait, this is kind of cute. I think I really need a sponge. There's just too much going on right now. Found it. I never thought that I would say this, but I kind of want it to be a little bit more pink. There's simply too much going on right now. My monitor is acting weird. I don't know. So, okay. So I set my face. And now what I think I'm going to do is, I feel like you can't see it that much on camera, and that's upsetting me. So I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place blush palette, which I love, and I'm gonna take Lena and Towel. I set my under eye with it. Okay, that's done. I think I'm gonna go off camera and figure some stuff out. There's too much going on. Like, I look weird, not because of the makeup, like something about me looks off. I'm gonna go do that, fix whatever's going on with my monitor. I'm pretty much done with this stuff, so maybe we'll come back after everything's done and get it settled. I don't think I'm gonna do any more for the under eye. I'm gonna try to fix it a little bit, do the rest of like my skincare routine, put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys. Hopefully all my situations are settled. There's just too much going on right now, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I feel like you can't really see the under eye that much on camera. You know what this is giving me though? It's reminding me of my Sweetest Pie music video recreation. Yeah, but to be honest, I like it. It's not my favorite. I honestly don't think I did it that right, because like on camera it looks like subtle and stuff. In person it kind of just looks like I chose a very pink undertone like foundation for under my eyes. That's definitely on me. I think I didn't use a light enough pink for it. Like I feel like you want to do like a bright under eye and a super bright pink to go with the under eye. Also, I changed my shirt. Not only did I get makeup on it, I just felt like it was too much pink, so I was like, let's put on a white shirt just to like tone down the pink everywhere vibe. I definitely like it. I want to try it again, like I said, using a lighter color pink, but I definitely like it a lot. I definitely think it would be cute to do other colors as well, but yeah, I definitely like it. It's just a little bit different, but I definitely like it. I love doing new stuff with makeup, so I'm kind of like in love with it. Not in love with it, that's a stretch, but I definitely think it's cute. I keep looking at myself to try to like make sure it's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. You know what I like? When people do a super bright pink or colored under eye, but then like, this is the thing. I did too much eyeshadow, and that's my thing. Like, I really love eyeshadow, and I feel like that's the thing that I'm best at, so I'll be going overboard with the eyeshadow, and I definitely want a little bit overboard with the eyeshadow this time. Like, I could have just did like a little pink in the inner corner type thing, but like, it's a vibe. The look, it's fire. But anyways, yeah, I definitely think you guys should try this out, even if it's not pink with like any color. It's really super fun. Pink is just like the trending vibe, and like I said, I wanted to do like a pink vibe look because I missed Valentine's Day and I was super upset about that. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Watch my last video, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.